here and welcome back to my channel. Now for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to achieve this look right here using the Colourpop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette, and this has really nice shadows in it. This is, by the way, the very first time that I'm playing with this eyeshadow palette, and I am shook. I didn't plan to be like this extra today. I've decided to not put on false eyelashes because I don't want to be so extra. If you want to know how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. To start with this makeup, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Match Stick Concealer in Scent, and this is gonna be like our pre-concealer but not necessarily a color corrector. I'm putting it below my eyes because I have really bad dark circles and just around my mouth because of the 5 o'clock shadow that Dragon always brags about. I have a little mustache going on and I didn't shave. Like, what the fuck? By the way, I've already primed my face after I'm using the Becca primer, the yellow one. You know that bitch, just search it. And then I'm just going to blend this using a kabuki brush. Honey, I just look like I have a lot of makeup on right now, but it's only concealer. Concealer, like, it has power, you know? Which is why concealer is like one of my most favorite makeup steps. Now for this look, I want a glowy finish of my skin. So I am gonna use the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream in Nude. And I'm just gonna put this all over my face. That's a lot. And spread it using a nice, just flat brush. By the way, the Becca primer, it's a really nice primer. It gives me that nice illuminating effect, but it just didn't satisfy me. So I want more glow on my skin for today. Oh, look at that glow, honey. Now for foundation today, I'm gonna use two. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Golden Beige and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Okay, cute! For cream contour today, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Plus Balance Stick Foundation in the shade 335 Coconut. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. I'm really liking my skin today. Now for concealer, I'm gonna use a 3. I know it's way too high maintenance, but that's how I want to work with concealers for a nice gradient healthy effect. And I'm gonna use Colourpop's No Filter concealers in the shade Fair 5 and Light Neutral 15 and LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade, honey, what the fuck, I can't see the shade, but like, yeah. And first I'm gonna go with the Colourpop No Filter concealer in the shade Fair 5 and just put it at the tip of the nose and just put it like at the center of the forehead, and then just a little bit here, then just a little bit here. And I'm gonna use the Colourpop No Filter concealer in the shade Light Neutral 15. This is way too pitchy for my skin tone, but I'll work with it. And I'm gonna go like around the Fair 5, and I'm gonna go like on the bridge of the nose. And I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is more like one shade lighter than my actual skin tone. I just really feel like it helps the concealer to be a lot more healthy looking and a lot more gradient. There we go. That is a lot of concealer. I know, bitch, I know. And I'm just gonna blend it using the Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Now to set my face, I'm gonna use the Coty Airspun face powder in the shade Translucent. I'm not gonna bake today because it's raining and I'm not gonna sweat and my makeup is not gonna be cakey. So yeah, I don't really have to set a lot. Okay, cute! To set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed Powder in the shade 130. I'm literally running low on this powder. It's a really good powder. I really love the oil control on it. I really love the matte finish on it. Okay, yo! Now for the eyes today, I'm gonna use the Colourpop Element of Surprise Eyeshadow Palette. I won this at a giveaway, and it's the very first giveaway that I've won on, and I'm so excited to play with it. By the way, it's like the very first eye product that I've had from Colourpop, and I've been dying to try their eyeshadow palettes. And by the way, I've used the shade Labyrinth and just put it all over the lid, all the way onto my brow bone. It's just like a nice base, and I'm just like setting my eyes. By the way, my eyes are already primed from all that concealer and foundation. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Details. I'm just gonna put it all over my crease. It's gonna be our transition shade. Okay, so the shadows don't have that much fall out so far. It's so good. Okay, cute! Let me swatch some shades before I put them on my lids. This violet one is really calling my name. It's not that creamy. Fuck. Next, I'm just gonna swatch this shade right here. It's called Silk Street. Now this pink one is also calling my name. It's called Subdue. Bitch, you know what? I'm gonna use this shade called Subdue, and I'm just gonna put it on my crease. Bitch, I seriously don't want to be so extra today. Like, what the fuck? What am I doing? Bitch, I don't know where I am going with this look, but why did I just do that? I shouldn't have done that. Now I'm gonna use this shade called Silk Street and put it all over my lid. But first, I'm gonna wet my brush. This is just water, by the way. Hashtag broke. Okay, these shadows are really, really beautiful. You know what? I'm just gonna use my finger because I want like a more diffused effect. Yeah. Now for the under lash line, I'm just gonna use shade Details, our transition shade. I'm just gonna dip in this shade again. Okay, so I went a little way too far with the under lash line, I know. Now to highlight my inner corner, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighter. And guys, I use way too much of this. Yo! I'm just gonna finish my face makeup right now. And to bronze up my skin, I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. There we go. There we go. Now to blush my skin, I'm gonna use the Wild ColorIcon in the shade Pearlescent Pink. I'm just gonna use this. And for highlight, of course, I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighter. I think it's only fitting to use a violet liquid lipstick. So of course, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Lover. mascara today, I'm gonna use the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm just gonna set this whole look using the Ebony Nada. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay.
Mister, what kind of car you in? In the city, love my name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. Let you get a taste. Taste, taste. Do you love the taste? Yeah, that's cool, but he ain't like me.
Okay, so that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. How do we feel this look? Colourpop, I am amazed. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I upload Instagram tuts and really the bomb ass pictures on Instagram, and make sure you go follow me. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, you're already here. Like, don't be rude. Like, what the fuck? Okay, bye.
You can get a taste. Fuck what a nigga say. It's all the same like Mary Kate.